Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar. My name is Kai Wan, Solution Architect of Netcom. In next 20 minutes, I'm going to share the brief introduction of Netcom to the audience, and then the Industrial 4.0 case study that we have done recently for cloud-based remote monitoring solution. Finally, we will have Q&A sections for the audience if you have any questions regarding to Netcom's product solutions. Netcom is a leading industrial IoT automation solution provider. Since 2013, the Industrial 4.0 concept is booming from Germany. We have done several projects in worldwide. Netcom is established at November 1992. Our manufacturing center is located in Taiwan, Taipei. The total capacity for PCBA is 45,000 pieces per month. System is 40,000 units per month. We have around 1,000 employees in worldwide. As you can see from this map here, we have the geo-region service centers in UK, in China, also in United States. All these service centers, they has ISO certified assembly line. It can provide the system assembly services, RMA, DOA, and also the logistics for the customer in that region. For the customers who is out of these regions will be covered by the headquarters in Taiwan. Netcom's core technology is based on industrial fanless box PC. The first generation was launched in 2005. Up to 2015, there are 215,000 units served worldwide as the industrial applications. Recently, the global economic is facing labor shortage issues, but the manufacturer would like to increase the productivity to meet the market demand. So smart manufacturing is very important to produce high mix, low volume models. Therefore, the cyber physical systems plays a key role in this in smart manufacturing concept. Also, the collaborative robot is very hot topic. By that concept, Netcom is coming to a turnkey solution, what we call IoT automation solutions, to fulfill the market demand. This is the total IoT automation solution topology of Netcom. As you can see from the bottom, we have the device layer as the device networking. We have the industrial firewall to provide the security in all IoT environments, and also the protocol converters, what we call CPS gateway, that has at least one or two fieldbus protocol support to convert between one fieldbus protocol to another fieldbus protocols. And there's another ISA 100 gateways and wireless hard gateway as well. For factory automations, we have the soft PLC solution based on the fanless box PC or the panel PC as the control panel. And also we have the HMI solutions bundled with Netcom panel PC series. Thirdly, we have the prediction maintenance solutions for the manufacturer to protect their manufacturing assets. And last one is the automation I/O. controllers in this product line, and general motion controllers. And lastly, we have the EtherCAT slave I/O for the as the total solution from the controllers to slave I/Os. In last column of the device layer, we have the robot controllers. It's also based on the EtherCAT technology that Netcom has developed. And we'll be able to provide a robot solution pack if you are looking for the from the controllers up to the robot bodies solutions that Netcom could provide the total solutions for the customer who has the demand. And all the data will be gathered to the communication layers. So again, as I just mentioned in previous slides, CPS is playing a key role to convert operation technologies to information technologies such as the cloud, ERP, MES, etc. So what is in the industrial IoT gateways that Netcom provide? Actually, we have the software utility, what we call IoT Studio software inside. It is providing the device configurators for fieldbus protocols, as well as the cloud protocols to bridging the data from the production fields to the cloud. And also there's an edge gateway here to do the pre-configurations for the data preparing to upstream to the cloud. And as that, we also have the Wi-Fi wireless networking systems who can provide the wireless communications for the total communications if that the manufacturer finds that the cabling is issues when that they implement their solutions into their product lines. So in that wireless networking product categories, we have a software utility to remote monitoring all the wireless APs and also the device that is connected to the APs. Lastly is the cloud solutions. Actually, all the Netcom's solution has been certified by Microsoft Azure and IBM Bluemix, or that some of the people might be interested of using their own private cloud. So that will be also can be worked with Netcom solutions. Now I'm going to share the Industrial 4.0 case study that we have done for the cloud-based remote monitoring solutions. So here is the project background and the challenging goals that we have to meet. As you can see from these PowerPoint slides, mainly the manufacturer has 10 assembly lines, and they are all equipped with old legacy machines. And the machines, they don't have the capability to link the data to internet. So the challenge that we meet is that customer would like to digitalize all the production data without change anything from the productions to save their cost. And the goal is that all the production data must upload to the cloud for the data remote monitoring or the remote access, so that the management will be able to understand what is going on the factory site. So here's the phase one. We have to build out the proof of concept to prove that the Netcom's solution is actually working with existing third-party solutions. So as you can see that we have the existing HMI and the PLC at the production site. So what are we going to transfer the data to the SQL server is that we have added the serial to Wi-Fi converter that converts Modbus RTU signal from HMI and push the data wirelessly to the gateway here. And then all the manufacturer has built up the mesh networking by Netcom Wi-Fi AP. So the data will be able to send out wirelessly to the edge servers. So this is the phase one that we have to prove to the customers. After the proof of concept has been adapted, we have stepped into the phase two. So here's the functional block of the phase one. All the data is actually connecting to the from the HMI to the converter, and then send it wirelessly by the Wi-Fi APs and gather the data into the gateway. And in gateway here, we have to configure all the data from the HMI, and then push the data out again to the edge server. So in second phase, that we will have to duplicate the proof of concept to all 10 production line, and then set up the mesh networking for the data roamings to the edge server, and then we will have to connect the data from the edge server to SQL server and upload to the Microsoft Azure Power BI for data analytics. So here again is the mesh networking's functional blocks. All the gateways is actually pushing the data out wirelessly to the Wi-Fi networkings, and then the data will be sent out to the edge server. So here is the configuration tools that we use in Netcom gateway. Actually, you can consider this red box here as the gateway. So that we have the inject node here for the engineer to set up the trigger event, and then there's the Modbus TCP node. So you can actually setting the IP address assign the certain Modbus TCP sensors, and then link the sensor to the TCP node to connect the data to internet. And from the edge servers, actually we can gather the data again from the TCP node to function node, and then link the data to Microsoft SQL servers. So here is I'm going to show you a video how easy that IoT Studio can connect the data from the sensors to cloud. So here we're using humidity and the temperature as the example. The engineer is now dragging the inject node and a Modbus TCP node. Link that the two nodes together, and then key in the Modbus TCP sensor's IP address. Okay, so the deployment has been done successfully. Now the engineer is trying to link the Modbus TCP node to a function node. and linking the function node to Microsoft SQL server, keying the SQL server's username and password to access the data to the SQL. Okay, the information has been completed. Deploy, and then back to the engine now. Back to the engine now, so we're going to set up the frequency to upload the data. Okay, the deployment now has been done. Back to the user's interface. Now the engineer is going to change the humidity and temperatures volume back at the SQL server, and the volume on the user's interface will actually change upon the frequency that we have set in engine node. So now the value has been changed. So that's how easy. See the examples that Netcom engineer has spent. It only takes about 2.5 minutes to get the data upload to the cloud. And in the in Netcom gateway, the dashboard also is one of the functions. So as you can see here again, we use the temperature and humidity as the example. So actually, you can set up, you can create your own bar chart as you wish, and now and also there's a line chart, so you can check all the histories of this temperature and humidity cycles. In this dashboard charts, we have several charts that we already create. It can actually shorten the engineering to spend the time on developing their own dashboards. So back to the configuration tools, actually we have a function dashboard function node for users to link their data to the dashboard, and then you can create your own dashboard from there. So here's the comparison between Netcom solutions and competing proposals in these projects. So in the competing proposals, that engineer at least to get used to at least 3 software utilities to set up the hardwares and the IT communications and field bus protocols, things like that. And it actually takes about 1 week to get all the software done. And there's only few engineers are capable to deal with IT, OT, and the hardware things into one solutions. And for the setup works, typically it's taking about 1 hour to set up one gateway. And you know, as the more hardware gets involved, and there's more spare parts we have to prepare, of course the cost is going to get higher as well. And let's look at the Netcom solutions. The engineer is only has to deal with one software utility to configure overall configurations, and we have done the software developings. All you have to do is drag the function nodes you need into the box and linking all the nodes into together, and then keying the informations to access the data. And it takes about less than 5 minutes. As the examples that I showed, Netcom engineers only spend 2.5 minutes to get the data upload from the sensors to cloud. And it is simple and cost-effective industrial IoT network infrastructures. So here's the comparison before the Netcom's solutions integrate into the production. As you can see from the figures on the left, the data has been kept in the production site. The management have to wait for the weekly or monthly meeting to get the update information from the operators, and that they cannot make a real-time action plan to optimize their production capabilities. But when you're looking at the right-hand side, the figures, the real-time data has been transferred wirelessly to the gateway and to the cloud, so that management will be able to access the data remotely from their handheld device from any time at anywhere, to understand what is going on at the factory site, so they can make real-time decisions to optimize the production capabilities to get more profits for the companies. And here's the questions that we got from the audience before the webinar started. So here I have the answers for that as well. So for the first questions, that is this webinar intended for customer or sales rep? Who would most benefit from this webinar? Okay, here I have to say that this webinar is intended for the system integrators, but it is really beneficial for everyone who is interested in factory automation. Netcom provides the solution, but the actual field implementation will be carried out by Netcom's system integrator partners. So if you are interested to become, to become Netcom system integrators partner, please contact our senior business development manager, Gail Lu. His information is showing at the last page of the presentation. Okay, second question is that what are the suitable, reliable, proven technology available today for integrating industrial field devices information to web server? So HTTP is the principle of the web infrastructure. Today, HTTP is proven to be suitable and reliable for OT and IT conversions. Netcom is also using HTTPS as the web-based communication technology to develop IoT application software. So what software skill is required to use IoT Studio? This is the third question that we have got from the audience. The answer is that if you are the users, the only thing you have to, the only skill you have to have is the basic programming JavaScript skill. But for the developers at the front end, you will have to be familiar with the HTML. And the back end, you will have to know about the Node.js for the developers. Okay. Number 4 is that how do you connect to data from Netcom gateway? The answer is that the IoT Studio utility software comes standard in Netcom Cyber Physical CPS series gateway. In that gateways, Microsoft SQL Note helps users to connect the data easily. Okay, just like the video that I showed before, simply link the function node to the Microsoft SQL node, and the field data can be uploaded to the cloud based on the frequency that you have set up in the ingest node. Okay, last question is that does IoT Studio work with a CNC machine? The answer is yes. The IoT Studio has a CNC node as the option. When the CNC node is enabled, IoT Studio actually can help the CNC machine builders to transform their CNC to cloud-based CNC, so that CNC machine will have the remote monitoring, predictive maintenance, and machine-to-machine communication features. For more product solution informations, please contact me, Kai Wang, the solution architect of Netcom. My email address is kaiwang@netcom.com.tw. For the system integrated partnerships, please contact our senior business development manager, Gail Lu, at netcom.com. Thank you.